Thank you, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Cyprus. It's a great pleasure to meet you here at ENCY World Conference. This is our annual event of partners, experts, friends, and global manufacturing community. This year, we are honored guests from more than 20 countries, and for the first time, we especially welcome partners from Greece and Thailand. How are you? How was your first days? Okay? Thank you for coming. Over the next few days, we have prepared a very rich and practical agenda for you. I will guide you what you can expect in the next 3 days. This year, the conference is all about ENCY 3. We are proud to present the new version of ENCY. In our opinion, this is the most powerful software in the history of ENCY software. ENCY 3, what we are talking about today, we take a major step ahead. More power, more intelligence, more flexibility, and more opportunities for users and partners in the entire world. Over the next few days, we will show you what makes ENCY 3 so special. You will see product updates, workflow improvements, and ideas and technologies shaping the future of our ecosystem. This year, the conference program is even more practical. In addition to the presentations, we have introduced the new format, hands-on masterclasses and training seminars. These sessions will focus on key areas that matter most for our partners: sales and marketing, implementation, and working with the product in the real scenarios. Our goal is to make the conference truly not only inspiring, but truly useful for you. We want you to take back the daily skills that you can use in your everyday life. And for sure, we have prepared plenty of fun. This year, it will be a special entertainment program with sun, music, boat trip, yoga, and much more. Besides having seminars and networking, you will relax, recharge, and enjoy the spirit of Cyprus. So, let's make these days unforgettable. First day of the conference, Premier Day. We have a very rich program, so we start now at 9 and we will finish at 6. It is the general session. We will present ENCY 3, updated ENCY Hyper, and other software products. Our dealers and partners will also take the stage with their own presentations. At 12:30, please join us at the lunch. At around 5:30, we will celebrate our top partners at ENCY Champions World 2026. After that, we will ask everyone to put on the t-shirt for a group photo. At 7 p.m., gala dinner begins. And after that, you know what to do, right? Meet at the bar, as always. Day 2, we traditionally call this a kitchen day. Like at the real kitchen, the real practical work will begin at the day 2. We have scheduled masterclasses, training sessions, hands-on activities. We will start the day early at 7 a.m. with yoga on the grass by the sea with Tatiana. Tatiana, our trainer. If you did not sign up, please do it, the QR code at the reception. The ENCY management will join Andre, right? So, as always, you come. 9 a.m. till 11:30, we will have sales training. The sales training will be held by a professional business trainer. After that, we will have marketing training. Noon 30, we will have lunch. And after lunch, our technical sessions begin. We will split you into groups. The track number 1 will follow robotics training. The track 2 will follow CNC training. We will finish at 3:15, hopefully. We'll have a short break and go to the boat trip. This year, it will be a really brilliant adventure for us. We take the biggest catamaran at Cyprus. We join all together with the rock band, with karaoke. So please take your relatives, friends, come with us to this unforgettable boat trip. Day 3, called Business and Sports. This day, we are planning a series of one-to-one meetings with ENCY management team. But this year, we will take more relaxed atmosphere. So instead of hotel rooms, we will meet at the beach club You can take your friends and relatives with you. They can enjoy the sea, the views, and you will work, as always. So, most of you have already received your invitations to one-to-one meetings. If not yet, come to me or my team members. We will try our best to schedule one-on-one meeting for some of you. This year, our sports activity will be truly unique. We will have a block cart racing. If the weather is good, so crucify fingers, the wind will come and the block cart racing will take place. This is the small cart with the sail, and group by group, we will have a race in there. Hopefully it will be, so see you there. Friday, a little bit about this day. This is additional day outside of the official conference program. Those of you who would like to continue your meetings and especially interested to see how ENCY software is developed, you can come to our office in Paphos. For our new partners, it's a great opportunity to see with your own eyes how we develop the software. We will organize small buses to take guests from the hotel to the office and then back. However, note that the registration is required in advance. Don't miss it. Come to us to inform if you would like to come. To follow conference program and receive latest updates, please install ENCY World app. You see QR codes on the screen. If someone still have no ENCY World app, please raise your hand. Okay, I see the smartphone. That means that you don't have. Okay, it's available for iOS and Android smartphones. Make sure that it is installed because the main updates, if they will happen during the conference, will be there. And quick reminder about tomorrow. All conference activities will take place in different hall. We will meet at Phoenix conference room tomorrow. If you still have any questions during the conference about your meetings, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We are here to help you. Wishing all of you have a great week in Cyprus. And now I take a moment to thank the sponsor of ENCY World 2026, Staubli. Staubli is a global company known for its advanced solutions and robotics and industrial automation. We are delighted to have them with us as a part of today's event. Thank you, Staubli. And now, please, warm welcome, CEO of ENCY Software, Andrei Haratsidi.